Gi, 3 minutes, gi. Gi, ay, di kumplo si Tres, ay. Sige, wala naman akong problema. Kung gusto. Las Islas, right side. Kayo na, kami na kanina eh. Kami mo bata. Ay, Colin. Daddy, arrested. Let's go, come.
I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick, I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not store powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. They act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gon' be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you came. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thanking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the greats, I'm the greatest right now. Fuck if you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. This shit gon' be different, I set my intentions. I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Niggas been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my dick. I just poured something in my cup, I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm don't make you real. Foot is on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the squad, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand, I'm dead in the middle of two generations. I'm little bro and big bro all at once. Just left the lab with young 21 Savage. I'm about to go on me, jigger for lunch. Had a long talk with a young nigga Kodak. Reminded me of young niggas from Phil. Straight out the project, no faking, just honest. I wish that he had more guidance for real. Too many niggas in cycle of jail, spending their birthdays inside of a cell. We coming from a long bloodline of trauma. We raised by our mamas, Lord, we gotta heal. We hurting our sisters, the babies as well. We killing our brothers, they poison the well. Distorted self-image, we settle to fail. I'ma make sure that the real gon' prevail, nigga. I just poured something in my cup, I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm don't make you real. Foot is on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the squad, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand don't make you real.
All's my life I has to fight, nigga. All's my life hard times like yeah, bad trips like yeah. Nazareth, I'm fucked up, homie, you fucked up, but if God got us, then we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright.
when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay cut. Bahamas, I be looking at you from the face down. One Mac 11, even boom with the bass down. Scheming, now let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. With pretty pussy and Benjamin is the highlight. Now tell my mama I love her, but this what I like. Lord knows, 20 of them in my Chevy. Tell them all to come and get me, reaping everything I sow. So my karma come in heaven, no preliminary hearings on my record. I'm a motherfucking gangster in silence for the record. Tell the world I know it's too late. Boys and girls, I think I've gone crazy. Trying to side my faces all day. Won't you please believe when I say, when you know we've been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate po-po when the killer's dead in the street for sure. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright.
What you want? You a house, you a car, 40 acres and a mule, a piano, a guitar, anything. See, my name is Lucy, I'm your dog. Motherfucker, you can live at the mall. I can see the evil, I can tell it. I know it's illegal. I don't think about it. I deposit every other zero. Thinking of my partner, put the candy painting on a Rico. Digging in my pocket, in a profit big enough to feed you every day. My logic, get another dollar just to keep you in the presence of your Chico. I don't talk about it, be about it. Every day I sequel. If I got it, then you know you got it. Heaven, I can reach you. Pet dog, my dog, that's all. Big back and chat, I trap the back for y'all. I rap, I black on tracks, so rest assured. My rights, my wrongs, I right till I'm right with God. When you know we've been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate po-po when the killer's dead in the street for sure. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon'
Ito na. Number 1, 2 points. Number 26. Dinadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 1. Number 5. Sumaksak. Jump ball. Pinas. Wow! Wow! Number 26, Deus. In and out. Wala. Fouled by number 11. Number 15. Pumake. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Ilocano. Transition. Wala pa rin. Mandy. 2 points. Number 5. Pinasa kay number 15. Fouled by Pacquiao. Timeout, Ilocano.
Time out white. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. It was just a foul on black, which means black should have. You showed out 4 team fouls. How many team fouls does black have? They have 4, right? Exactly. They have 4, and white only has 1, correct? All right.
Number 14 with the
Number
ball.
4.
Launch pass to
Bounce. Ilocano.
back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Number 10
Suma-
passes to the
pinasa.
wing.
Tumira
Shoot.
ng 3.
No
Wala.
good.
Rebound,
by
number 12. Foul.
Foulings. Sub rep. Substitution for Ilocanos.
The Enforcer Destroyer is checking into the game.
Deflected by number 11.
Number 5. Nagdadala ng bola. Screen.
Screen by number 8. Going to the lane. Lays it
Layup.
up. And in! Number 27 with the ball.
Kulang sila ng
Passes inside to number 1.
pumeke.
Number
Wala.
1, pumipeke.
Pinasa.
Good. No good.
No good. No good. The Enforcer. Fast break.
Number 11,
Pinasa.
pass to number 27 with a layup. Good.
Las Islas with a 4-point
Number
lead.
5 with the ball. Bring it up. Pass to number 21. Number 21 comes off
Pecho.
2 screens. Like step and carry.
Oh.
Ooh, snatched by number 11.
Galing ng depensa ng Las Islas.
Number 21 to number 5. Number 5, screen.
Wala pang nag-dead. Pecho! Wala! Las Islas. Pinasa. Intercepted. Number 11. Layup. Wala. Rebound. Number 8. Ilocanos ball. Pecho. Nag-iisa. Titira ba ng
21 sizing
tres?
up, going to the lane.
Sumaksak. Floater.
Floater,
Wal.
no good. Number 27 with the ball. Outside the 3-point line. Crosses, goes into the lane, passes to number 1. Number 1 to number 6. Pass to the
Back.
corner. For 3, no
No
good.
good.
Number 8 with a rebound. Number 5 with the ball. Says slow down.
Last
Let me take the
1
ball.
minute
Oh.
of the first. Stolen. Stolen by number 27. Sumaksak. Nabitawan yung bola. Pinasa kay number 1. Good. Las Islas with a 6-point lead. 40 seconds remaining of the first quarter. Kenneth. Pinasa kay number 14 to number 8. Layup no good. Number 27, nagpa-fast break. Layup good. Oh! Wow! Nagawan. Oh. Las Islas with a 6-0 run. 1.
11-21 in the favor of Las Islas. Second quarter.
Number
Number
15.
15. Looking for a teammate.
Walang mapapasahan. Pinasa kay Pecho. Inside pass to Roland. Wala. Number
Number
27.
27. Going down the lane. Looking for a teammate. Number 10.
Bulaktiar.
Fakes a 3.
Pinasa.
Number 27 for 3.
Good.
3 points by number 27.
Can
Gaganan.
Ilocano stop the bleeding?
Number 21 with the ball. Sizing up.
Dumidiskarte, 21. Spin move. Tira. Wala. Rebound, 27. Ang ganda yung pasa. Intercepted. Black ball. Bulaktian.
Number 10 for
Tumira ng
3.
tres. No
No
good.
good.
Rebound, 15.
Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 26.
Nagpa-fast
Bringing it up
break.
the court. Goes into the lane.
Nagawan.
Snatched by number 27. Picked
15
up by
with
number
the ball.
15. 15 to number 8.
Titira ba ng tres?
Number 8
Wala.
going into the
Eurostep.
lane. No good.
Rebound.
Puts back.
Wala pa
no
rin.
good. Gets a rebound,
Rebound
again. Puts
again.
it back.
Yeah.
And it's good. Number 27 sticking out his tongue like the mamba.
Stung like the mamba.
Passes it to the wing. Long two-pointer, no good.
Rebound. Pecho. Pinasa kay number 26. Grind. Papa? Tatay ko po yan.
Number 27 bringing up the ball again. Point guard. Wala bitire. Number 27 for 3. Good.
If you want
Two
a good
three-pointers
catering
so
for
far
good
by
prices,
number 27 in the first half. Number 26 guarded by 27
Pecho.
to 21.
21. Sumaksak. Nabitawan yung bola. Pinasa kay number 30. James Harden. Wala pa rin. Deus. Sumaksak. Float. Good. 2 points for number 26. Hey, that's you.
Last Isla in the offense. Pass to the wing, number 10. Number 10 passes to other side. Inside, number 15 cuts. Number 1, no good.
Rebound by my daddy again. Pecho. James Harden. Good. 2 points.
Number 27 fakes the pass. Pass inside to K. K with a bang.
K?
Good.
¿Qué?
Paul K.
¿Está qué?
No.
Number 26. Ooh. Shoot again. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 8. Pumapos. Nabitawan yung bola. Same ball. Substitution.
Number 0 going in for number 10.
Ilocano ball. Ball to 26. Nabitawan yung bola. 21. Pecho tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound.
Number
Las
0 with the
Islas.
rebound. Tumatakbo si K. K with a pass break. Behind the back. Lays it up and in! What a nice move by Paul K.
26 tumira ng 3. Oh!
Ooh, 26
Sumagot
answers
ng
right back.
3.
27 to number 0. Shoots it for 3. Good. Nothing but net. Bam says it's Bam time.
Number 26. Pinasa kay Pecho. Oh, hesitation. Layup. No good.
Rebound by number 0. Number 0 to number 3.
James Harden got the ball. Deus tumira. Good. 2 points. Timeout. No more timeout for
Pass it to
Ilocano.
the wing. Number 0 again for 3. No good.
Rebound number 8. Transition. Daddy, let's kunin mo yan. Timeout. Las Islas.
Timeout by Las Islas.
Ibang Caesar yung nag-fast break. Ako sana yun. Ako sana yung nag-fast break doon. Ibang Caesar. Mali. Gusto kong umutot pero tae lumabas.
Back to the ball game. Number 11 bringing up the ball for Las Islas.
Mandimar. Sumaksak. Ay,
Number 11 into the lane. No good. Fouled by number
Fouled by
15.
Taddy.
2 shots coming up for number 11. First shot is good.
12-point lead for Las Islas. V-Roy, nagdadala ng bola. Cadolina, number 0. Oh, between the
That's
legs.
by number 11 in a pass break. Passes to number 1, Rigodon to no.
Stolen by V-Roy. Number 12, Ilocano, layup. Layup is good. Cutting the lead back to 10. Ay, 12 pala.
Number 1,
10.
Rigodon with the ball to number 0.
Ay,
Pocket in the middle of the.
almost stolen by V-Roy.
Number 11 picked it up. Number 11 brings it up the lane. Euro step is good.
Pinoy step. V-Roy, pinasa kay Pecho, nagdadala ng bola.
Picked up by
To number 12. Crossover, pinasa kay Daddy.
blocked by number 15.
Pal.
15 blocked by number 15.
That's tough. B-Roy, pumeke, sumaksak, pinasa kay 15. Layup is no good.
Picked up by number 0. Number 15 bringing it up the ball for Las Islas. Going inside the lane. Pass it to number 1. Lays it up and in.
Ilocano brings up the ball with Las Islas 14-point lead. Pecho, didiskarte. Pinasa kay number 0. Nagpa-screen between the legs. That man,
Picked up by number 15. Number 15. Pass break. Going in himself. No good.
substitution.
Same ball.
Papa
Oh.
Bear is checking in to the game.
White ball.
Papa Bear and Baby Bear. Number 0 from Ilocano. Mandi-
Number 1 for 3. Good. Not about that.
Number 12, sumaksak. Layup is good. Cutting the lead back to 15.
Ice Cold Ben bringing it up the court. Asks for a screen. Pass it to Papa Bear. Papa Bear for 3. No good.
Layup. Rebound by number 15. 21.
Stolen by number 11. Jerome, napaka-pogi, pinasa kay Rigodon. Passes it to Papa Bear. Long pass.
B-Roy. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Baby Bear. Back to 12. Fake. Shoots. Block. Jump ball. Black ball. Pacquiao is hoarding all the stats. Stolen by V-Roy! Ilocano! Where are you?
Jerome, spin
Ooh,
move.
spin move.
Jerome into the lane, fakes the pass, passes to the number 15, foul
Ang ganda nun ah.
by number 15.
Mr. Do-It-All.
Jerome bringing up the ball with style.
20 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Ta-dang! Las Islas with a 15-point lead. Ta-dang! Pacquiao. B-Roy. 1 possession left.
10 seconds left on the clock. Number 5
ready.
puts it up, no good. Number 11
5,
pass it to number 1.
4,
Rigo,
3, 2,
to Papa Bear.
1. No good! No good! Papa Bear!
Papa Bear guarded by a ghost in the paint.
Mandy with 15 points by halftime. Hindi po. Ilocanos ball. James Harden taking out the ball, giving it back to Stephen Curry. Deus Tumira. No good. Mandy Marr with 17 points going into the second half. Deus, layup no good. Rebound number 8. Layup no good pa rin. Rebound number 15. Las Islas ball. Mandy, dumidiskarte. Eurostep. Reverse layup. 19 points for Mandy now. Number 26, Pinasa. Number 11 stole the ball. Layup is good. Bringing the lead to 23 points. First free throw, no good. No good pa rin. Rebound by Pacquiao. Nagdadala ng bola. Intercepted by number 8. Number 21. Tumira. Good. Ilocano bringing up the ball. Giving it to the number 13. Tumira ng 3. No good. Same ball. Number 13. Sumaksak. Pinasa kay number 26. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Rebound. Las Islas. Pacquiao. Tira ng 3. Number 13. No good. Rebound number 11. Las Islas ball. Pinasa kay Mandy. Carla ko Jamorant. Substitution. Ref, sub. Jimmy bringing up the ball. Almost getting trapped in the to number 14. To number 8. Nabitawan yung bola. Ooh, same ball possession. Number 8. Pumoposte. Tumira. No good. Rebound 26. Tumira ng 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 8. Good. 24-point lead for Las Islas. Casey. Pumasa. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 14. Saribay. Number 26. In and out cross. Nabitaw yung bola. Tumira. Rebound Las Islas. Nabitaw yung bola si Case. Black ball. Next game, Oslo Force versus Bisdak. Substitution, Papa Bear is checking into the game again. Versus Baby Bear from Ilocano. What a good matchup. Las Islas, pinasa sa loob. Nakuha ng Ilocano. Number 12, nagpa-fast break. Mama Cly! (31-57) in the favor of Las Islas. 11, sumaksak. Pinasa sa loob. Number 21. Rebound again by number 11. Mr. Hassel. 2 points. Number 26, nagdadala ng bola. Crossover. In and out, jump. 2 points for number 26. Substitution. Number 27, checking into the game. And number 10, Bulaktia. Las Islas bringing up the ball with a 24-point lead. Stolen by number 26. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound number 27. Las Islas possession. Number 10. Papa Bear. Tumira ng 3. Oh, wala. In and out. Am I in or out? Am I in? Number 26, nagdadala ng bola. Jump shot. Pinasa kay Baby Bear. Good. 2 points. Number 1 shoots the second free throw. B-Roy nagdadala ng bola. Crossover. 26, Deus. In and out. In and out again. Fouled by number 26. Mama Clyde, 2 points.
Ay, Jepoy, wag mo na kayo magpapalit mamaya. Pipicturean ni Ichan ha. Doon ha. Pagkatapos ha.
Mama Clay Thompson. Good. Ang free throw. Mama Clay. Number 10 passes it back to number 27. Number 1. Sumaksak. Na-trap. Nilabas. 27. Titira ng 3. No good. Rebound. Papa Bear. Oh! Papa Bear! It's brought to you by Salad Master. Baby Bear answers back! Number 10. Casey, 2 points. Kala nyo ha? B-Roy to Baby Bear. Layup, no good. Rebound, number 10. Number 1. Oh! Traveling. B-Roy nagdadala ng bola. Number 14 to Baby Bear. 2 points. Papa Bear, pagod na. Gutom. Good assist from Papa Bear. Baby Bear again. Oh, between the legs. Hangs in the air. Papa Bear. Papa Bear with the ball. Long 3. B-Roy, coast to coast. Well, no good. Las Islas with a 22-point lead going into the last quarter. Oslo Force and Bisdak. Last and final game. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Please vote on Facebook. No one, no one, no one can get in the way.
That ain't what I mean. Money busting out my jeans like I do ski. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod.
DJ
It's that Z shit. It's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit. It's that Z shit.
got that dope. Las Islas ball. Fuck you. Pinas out of bounds. Ilocano ball. Number 26, in and out again. Going to the lane. Layup is good. Number 1, Mandy is bringing up the ball. Tumira ng 3. No good. Waiting a call from the white ball possession. Deus again. Baby Bear. Pinasa kay number 8. Low post. Number 12. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Kinuha ni number 26. Layup is good. Pagod daw si Papa. Oh, stolen by Biroy! And one! What a play! We want Papa Bear. We want Papa Bear. Mamaya. Number 26. Driving into the left. Pass it to Baby Bear. 2 points is good. Timeout by Las Islas. 13-point lead. Back to the ball game. Gate attendance. Di ko alam. 150. Las Islas with the ball. Number 7. Pinasa kay Pacquiao. Sumaksak. Number 15. Layup. No good. Bitin. Fouled by number 7. Biroy. Passes it to number 8. Brother Bear daw. Baby Bear against Brother Bear. Mandy Mar, fast break. Pinasa kay number 7. Hindi binalik. Number 1. 2 points. Binalik ni number 7. Pero siya hindi bumalik sa akin. Number 5. Layup. No good. Number 15. Pacquiao with the rebound. 7 with the ball. Alley-oop to Mandy. No good. Foul. Mandy Moran daw sabi ni Marks Balisi. Norges 30th. Yes, 30. Check out Marcus Balisi's TikTok. Absolute daw. Di ko alam yung inside joke pero number 21. Alex Cabagnot. In and out cross. Nagdidiskarte. Pinasa kay number 26. 2 points is good. Ang gandang pinapakita ni number 26 sa atin sa bronze finals pala. Number 15. Pacquiao up and under. Same ball possession. Brother Bear, good pass to number 15. Number 12, nagdadala ng bola. Number 8, cutting into the rim. Rejected by number 15. Mahirap ma-reject. Number 12 to B-Roy to 21. Screen. 2 is good. Jumper is good. $15-point lead for Las Islas. 27. Setting play. Passing it inside to the cutter. Brother Bear lost the ball. B-Roy nagdadala ng bola to 12 to Pecho. Titira ba ng 3? Number 12. 21 again. Sa Ribay. Posting up. Back to 26. Fakes. Long 2. Rebound. Number 15. Pacquiao. Brother Bear. Brother Bear. To number 27. Good layup. Papa Bear. Is so free? Good. B-Roy passes it to number 21. 21. Can you do some for me? Number 12. Ooh. Mandy Mar stole the ball. Passes to number 11. Layup is no good. Number 14 to number 5. Sumaksak spin move. Fake. Scoop layup. Rebound by Pacquiao. Mandy Mar. No good. Rebound by B-Roy. Mr. Steele. 21. Sumaksak. Long 2. No good. 15. 27 with the ball. Transition. Mandy Mar. Dunked it. Oy! Mandy. Lumipad. Mandy Airlines. Damn. Mandy with 23 points. Air Mandy. Wala pang nagdunk.
Di kapo nag-ano siya, nag-dunk din pero nag-ano lang.
Oh yeah.
Yung sumute siya.
Gutom na ako. Las Islas with a 19-point lead. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes remaining in the ball game. Number 5, V-Roy, nagdadala ng bola. to number 12, Mama Clay. Drives into the paint. Layup is good. What a beautiful lefty. Number 10, long pass. Nabitawan ni number 7. Baby Bear nagdadala ng bola. Screen. Passes it to Mama Clay. Deus draws into the fakes the ball. Jumper is good. Baby Bear 17. Number 26 cutting to the rim. Number 12, sumaksak, reverse, ang ganda! Up and under by Mama Clay. Number 0, the sniper of Las Islas. Back to number 10, stolen by B-Roy. Fouled by number 10. Timeout to Las Islas. B-Roy with a lot of steals this tournament. Deus have 17 points in the ball game. Lahat po ng mga players, baba po kayo mamaya, magpipicture po tayo. Ay, at Las Islas pala at Ilocano. Sorry. Ilocano and Las Islas, pictures po tayo mamaya after the game. Number 26, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound, number 0. 27. To Mandy. Intercepted by number 14. Brother Bear, number 27, to Mandy. Sumaksak, travel. Without passport. Traveling without passport now. Number 5, number 26, top scorer for Ilocano. Tumira ng 3.